Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start immediately. Park, switch off the engine, and remove the key for safety. First, locate the cabin filter cover, usually behind the glove box or a small panel under the hood, then free any latches or screws. Use a screwdriver or your hands to release clips. Once loosened, support the glove box so it won't slam. You're doing this to avoid damaging plastic tabs, so proceed slowly. Once the cover is off, you'll see the filter frame ready for removal. Keep a tray for fasteners. Now you'll slide the old filter straight out, following the airflow arrow printed on its frame. Do not tilt and spill contents into the housing. Inspect it for leaves, dust, and any dark mold patches. This tells you whether replacement frequency should change. Smell for mustiness. If present, plan further cleaning. Match the new filter's dimensions and arrow direction before insertion, and brush the housing with a vacuum or cloth if needed. Once aligned, seat the filter evenly to ensure an airtight fit. To finish, close the housing and reattach the cover, engaging all clips or tightening screws without over-torquing. You want a snug fit that doesn't deform the frame. Start the fan on low, then high, and listen. Air should be stronger and quieter. If you still hear rattle or reduced airflow, make sure the filter orientation is correct and that no debris is trapped under the edge. Troubleshooting tip: if noise persists, remove the filter and inspect for loose fasteners or a warped frame.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.